Hi my dear students, welcome to Students Reference channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for the upcoming videos. And we have already discussed 7 laws of exponents and 5 examples. Today we are going to discuss from example 6. I will give the link for the previous part. If you want, you will refer that part also. Example 6. Simplify the following expressions. A. 2 power 4 into 3 power 4 into 5 power 4 divided by 12 power 2 into 25 power 2. Okay. So, in this case, we have to write this 12 in terms of 2 and 3 and 25 in terms of 5. We know 12 is equal to 4 into 3 and we write 4 as 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 into 3 power 2 into, we can write 25 as 5 into 5. So 5 into 5 whole power 2. So now this is equal to 2 power 4 into 3 power 4 into 5 power 4 divided by this expression. So now we can simplify this as 2 power 4 minus 4 and 3 power 4 minus 2 into 5 power 4 minus 4. So 2 power 0 into 3 power 2 into 5 power 0. 2 power 0 is equal to 1 and 3 power 2 is 9 and 5 power 0 is 1, that is equal to 9. And problem B, 12a square b cube c power 5 divided by 2 square 3 square ab c square d square, and in base the numbers are 2 and 3, so we write 12 in terms of 2 and 3. So 12 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 3, that means 2 square into 3. If we simplify this, 2 power 2 minus 2 into a power 2 minus 1 into b power 3 minus 1 into c power 5 minus 2 divided by 3 power 2 minus 1 into d power 2, and this is equal to a b square c cube divided by 3d square. Example 7. Simplify the following. A. 5 power 0 plus 2 power 0 into 7 power 2. We know 5 power 0 is 1 and 2 power 0 is 1. So 1 plus 1, 7 power 2 is 49 into 49. So 1 into 49 equal to 49. 1 plus 49 equal to 50. So the answer is 50. And problem B, 2 power 3 into 3 power 2 divided 2 power 5 into 5 power 0. We know 5 power 0 is 1. So 2 power 3 into 3 power 2 divided 2 power 5. So you write this expression like this. That is equal to 3 power 2 divided by 2 power 5 minus 3. That is equal to 3 power 2 divided by 2 power 2. This is equal to 3 by 2 the whole power 2. So 3 square divided by 2 square. 3 square equal to 9 and 2 square equal to 4. Now we are going to solve the exercise 4.2. 1. Simplify using laws of exponent and write in exponential form. So problem A is 3 power 7 into 3 power 4. The bases are same but powers are different. So we have to use multiplying powers with same base. So the general format is a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. So we write the base as it is. We have to add the powers to get the answer. So 7 plus 4, that is equal to 3 power 11. And problem B, minus 5 power 9 into minus 5 power 11 equal to minus 5 power 9 plus 11, that is equal to minus 5 power 20. And problem C, 2 power 10 divided 2 power 5. And here dividing powers with same base. So division means we have to subtract the powers. So 2 power 10 minus 5 equal to 2 power 5. And problem D, minus 4 power 15 into minus 4 power 7 equal to, so minus 4 power 15 plus 7, that is equal to minus 4 power 22. And problem 2, simplify and write the answer in exponential form. And problem A is 5 power 4 power 8. that is equal to 5 power 4 into 8, that is equal to 4 8s are 32. So the answer is 5 power 32. And problem B, minus 7 power 9 power 12. So minus 7 power 9 into 12, that is equal to minus 7 power 108. And problem C, 7 power 32 divided 7 power 32. So the operation is division, so we have to subtract the powers. So 7 power 32 minus 32 equal to 7 power 0. No need to write this because you have to write the answer in exponential form. And problem D, 6 power 5 divided 5 power 5. And here the powers are same but the bases are different. So you have to divide the bases and then you write the power as it is. So here the power is 5. So 6 divided by 5 whole power 5. And problem 3, simplify the following. And problem A, 13 power 2 power 9 into 13 square divided 13 power 7. So we can write this as 13 power 2 power 9 as 13 power 2 into 9 into 13 square divided 13 power 7. 2 into 9 is 18. So 13 power 18 into 13 power 2 divided 13 power 7. And here the bases are same, powers are different, and it's a multiplication operation. So we can write this as 13 power 18 plus 2 divided 13 power 7. 18 plus 2 is 20. So 13 power 20 divided by 13 power 7. This is equal to, the bases are same but powers are different and the operation is division. So we have to subtract the powers. So 13 power 20 minus 7 is equal to 13. So the answer is 13 power 13. And problem B, 3 power 4 plus 11 square minus 2 square into 3 into 10 power 0. We know 3 power 4 is 81. That means 3 power 4 is written as 3 square into 3 square. 3 square is 9. So 9 into 9 equal to 81. Plus 11 square equal to 121 minus 2 square equal to 4 into 3 into 10 power 0 is 1. Okay. So according to Bodemar's rule, we have to do the multiplication operation first. So 4 into 3 into 1, 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 1, 12, 12. So 81 plus 121 minus 12. If we add these two, we get 202 minus 12. And 202 minus 12 is equal to 190. And problem 4, express the following as a product of their prime factors in the exponential form. A 148 into 56. This is the easiest one. We have already done this type of problem in the previous exercise. And problem 4A 148 into 56. So first we have to find the prime factors for 148 and then 56. So if you find the prime factors for 148, we get 2 into 2 into 37. And for 56, we get 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. So 148 into 56 equal to, we have to multiply these two factors. And this is equal to 2 power 5 into 7 power 1 into 37 power 1. And problem B, 255 into 75. So first you find the prime factors for 255, then 75. And the prime factors for 255 is equal to 5 into 3 into 17, and for 75 is equal to 5 into 5 into 3. So 255 into 75 is equal to, you have to multiply these two factors. So you get 5 power 3 into 3 square into 17 power 1. And problem 5 is simplify the following expressions. Problem 5a, 3 power 3 into 5 power 3 into 7 power 2 divided by 21 power 3 into 7 minus 2 power 3. Now we are going to simplify this expression. So this is equal to 3 cube into 5 cube into 7 square, and we write 21 as 7 into 3. 7 3s are 21 power 3, and 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 cube. This is equal to 3 cube into 5 cube into 7 square, and we write 7 into 3 power 3 as 7 power 3 into 3 power 3 into this 5 power 3. According to the laws, we get 3 power 3 minus 3 into 5 power 3 minus 3 divided by 7 power 3 minus 2. This is equal to 3 minus 3 is 0. So 3 power 0 into 5 power 0. 3 minus 3 is 0 divided by 3 minus 2 is 1. So 7 power 1. 3 power 0 is equal to 1 and 5 power 0 is equal to 1. So 1 into 1 equal to 1 and 7 power 1 equal to 7. So 1 by 7, this is equal to 7 power minus 1, negative exponent. So the answer is 7 power minus 1. And problem B, 12a cube b square c power 5 divided by 16a square b c square. This is equal to 12, and now we are going to apply the law of exponents. So a power 3 minus 2, a power 3 minus 2 and b power 2 minus 1, c power 5 minus 2 divided by 16. That is equal to 12 divided by 16 into a power 1, b power 1 and c power 3. If we simplify 12 and 16 using 4 table, we get 3 by 4. 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. So we get 3 by 4 into ABC cube. And problem C, 81 p square q square r divided by 12 power 4 p cube cube. Now we apply the law of exponents. We get 81 into q power 2 minus 1, q power 2 q. So q power 2 minus 1 into r divided 12 power 4 p power 3 minus 2. That is equal to 81 q power 1 into r divided by 12 power 4 into p power 1. So now we know 81 is equal to 3 power 4 into QR divided by, and we write 12 as 3 into 4. So 12 power 4 is equal to 3 into 4 power 4 into P. That is equal to 3 power 4 QR divided by 3 power 4 into 4 power 4 P. And this is equal to 3 power 4 minus 4 into QR divided by 4 power 4 into P. 4 minus 4 is 0. That is equal to 3 power 0 QR divided by 4 power 4 into P. 3 power 0 is 1 into QR divided by 4 power 4 into P. So the answer is QR divided by 4 power 4 into P. And problem D, 2 by 5 whole power 3 divided 2 by 7 whole power 4 into 5 by 7 whole power 5. Now we have to apply the law of exponents. We get 2 power 3 divided by 5 power 3 divided 2 power 4 divided 7 power 4 into 5 power 5 divided 7 power 5. And 2 power 3 divided 5 power 3 whole divided 2 power 4 divided 7 power 4 into 5 power 5 into 7 power 5. So in division part we have a fraction. So we have to write this as inverted 1 with multiplication symbol. So 2 power 3 divided by 5 power 3 into 7 power 4 divided by 2 power 4 into 5 power 5 divided by 7 power 5. Once again you apply the laws. So we get 5 power 5 minus 3 divided 2 power 4 minus 3 into 7 power 5 minus 4. So we get 5 square divided by 2 power 1 into 7 power 1, that is equal to 5 square is 25 and 2 into 7 is 14. And this is an improper fraction, so we have to write the answer in mixed fraction. So the answer is 111 by 14. I stop with this problem. We will continue the remaining problems in the next video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.